Hello, welcome to InfoDem. In this short video, I want to quickly show you how to get airdrop. In case you don't know, thousands of people are making thousands of dollars from airdrop every now and then. And if you check Binance very well, there are some crypto that have just been, listed on Binance, and it will interest you to know that thousands of people made a lot of money from those crypto through airdrop. Actually, I miss out from that airdrop, so that is why I don't want to miss out on this one. And also, I don't want you also to miss out on this one. As you can see, these are the new listing crypto that a lot of people cash out on them because they got airdrop. So the latest airdrop now is Neptune Airdrop, Neptune Network. So this is how it works. If you go to the description box of this video, you will see the link there. Once you click the link, it will take you to where you will download the application. So it will appear like this, and what you need to do here, don't click Google Play, click Android. Download from Android. You see download for Android. Don't click Google Play, click download for Android. If you have done that, the next thing you want to do is to click, you go to where you change the language to English up here at the right hand corner top. Then you come to center where you see create wallet. You click create wallet. If you have finished that, you click where you see click to get private key. When you click there, your private key will appear. Then after that, then you enter. Once your private key appear, a code will also appear here. You will need to re-enter it. You type it here. Then after that, you create your wallet password. Then you repeat it again. You repeat your wallet password again. That is step 2. Then step 3 is to click copy your private key. The private key that appear, you will just click copy. It will copy. It will be copied automatically. Then the step 4, you will paste the private key here up. Then you put the password that you created initially. Then the next thing you want to do is to say confirm import. You click it. If you have done that, you come to where you see profile logo here. You click it. Once you click it, it will take you to this place. Now, this is where this place is very important, because if you don't impute a referral code here, there's no way you can be registered. There's no way you can be binded. So as you can see bind here. So what you will do, you go to the description box of this video. You will see a referral code here. You put it here. Then you click bind. If you have done that, it will appear this way. If you have done that, it will appear this way. Now for you to get this airdrop, all you need to do is to click the profile logo here. Then you refer a friend with that same, with your own referral code. Once that is done, then one friend will give you $5,000, which is $500, which is 5,000 netto. That is how it works. Please, I don't want you to miss out from this opportunity. I've started it. I want you also to benefit from this airdrop. Where the world is going now, the world is going crypto. So please don't miss out from this airdrop. I've missed out from so many airdrop. So this one, I don't want to miss out. Also, I will not want you to miss out. So follow the step in this video. Share your link to your friend. Let them also carry out the same thing so that everybody can benefit. And also don't forget to subscribe to this channel, because I've been receiving messages that I should I should do video on affiliate marketing, and I want you to watch out for that. Watch out for my next video on affiliate marketing. Until I see you in my next video, I say be good.